Hello, my name is Matt. I'm here to talk about my experience with TupiTea. This product really caught my attention because I was dealing with issues like low energy, reduced stamina, low libido, and difficulty maintaining consistent performance. These are very common problems that many people go through, especially as we get older or deal with stress and lifestyle changes. What I liked about TupiTea is that it's presented as a natural tea-based supplement designed to support blood flow, stamina, and overall vitality. It works by targeting something called the endothelium, which is responsible for regulating circulation in the body. When your blood flow improves, your body can deliver more oxygen and nutrients, which may help with energy, performance, and overall well-being. Another interesting point is that TupiTea is made with natural ingredients, including herbs, plant extracts, vitamins, and minerals. Some of these ingredients are believed to support nitric oxide production, which plays a key role in relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. Because of this, the benefits that people often talk about include improved stamina, better energy levels, enhanced circulation, and increased confidence in daily life. Some also use it to support libido and overall performance. In terms of how to use it, it's very simple. You just prepare it like a regular tea and drink it daily as part of your routine. Consistency seems to be key if you want to notice results over time. Now, something very important. If you decide to try TupiTea, make sure you only get it from the official website, which I've left in the description of this video. That's the safest way to ensure you're getting the original product and not a fake version. Another thing I found reassuring is that the product is often sold with a money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, you can request a refund within the guarantee period, which reduces the risk of trying it. I've been using TupiTea for about 5 months now, and since it's a natural option for improving energy, circulation, and performance, it really fits well into my routine. If you like this video and want to learn more, make sure to check the official website in the description below. Also, don't forget to leave your comment here on the video, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.